If you're looking for a hands-on degree that tackles environmental challenges and advancing sustainable solutions for the planet, you're definitely looking at the right place. Our programs integrate natural sciences and social sciences that tackle the most pressing global challenges in areas such as biodiversity conservation, wildlife and aquatic systems management, wildfire adaptation, sustainable building practices, and a transition to a low-carbon bioeconomy, just to name a few. The Student Services team is made up of members who support our undergraduates in all aspects of their academic and experiential life at UBC. So among them, we have academic advisors who support students through their degrees. We have co-op coordinators who assist students in securing work placements. And we have a student engagement officer who is involved in a multitude of opportunities for student involvement. Our faculty has a sizable number of international students. We have a dedicated Asian Strategies office who works with our Chinese partners and with our transfer students from those institutions. However, our Student Services office also works directly with students coming from all over the world. Our degrees have always been sought after when it came to acquiring knowledge pertaining to forestry and land stewardship, but they have evolved over time to keep up with the demands of the changing environmental industry. Our degrees are very applied. They combine lectures with practical knowledge in forms of field schools, out-of-the-classroom labs, and capstone courses. We have 3 undergraduate degrees. The Bachelor of Science in Natural Resources offers 6 majors in areas of biotechnology, conservation, forest sciences, forest operations, forest management, and wood products. The Bachelor of Urban Forestry focuses on the management of green spaces in urban centers. It is ideal for those who are interested in urban planning and green space management. It has topics such as urban ecology, sustainable planning, human well-being, and the impact of green infrastructure on climate. So the program continues to grow, with graduates earning the skills to make a positive impact in the way cities continue to be developed and designed. The Bachelor of Indigenous Land Stewardship is an interdisciplinary program that focuses on Indigenous ways of knowing. It is led by Indigenous scholars, elders, knowledge keepers, and allies. And it focuses on the blending of knowledge systems as well as working towards a thorough understanding of land stewardship.